Okay, excuse this gold lighting. I'm in this darn gone house in the living room. But here is my package. Dun, dun, dun. I told y'all I was gonna bump like this, bump like this. Oh, this don't even need no knife though. Okay. Ba-da-da-da-da. Da-da. Da-da-da-da. So, as of my upteenth purchase with Amazon this year, y'all know I'm an Amazon junkie. I keep telling y'all I contribute to that $200 billion darn on net worth of Jeff Bezos, honey. So, unboxing this. So, this is the 2-in-1 glass cleaner repellent. Applies water beading technology to enhance driving visibility. So, they say this is the treated versus the untreated. So, this is for the outside. Just spray on and wipe away. Cleans automotive glass street free. Repels rain by causing water to bead up and roll away. Helps prevent sleet, snow, ice, bugs, and road spray from sticking to glass. Helps removal of bug residue and roads. And this is good for me because the other day when I was driving in the rain, and you know you going like less than 40 some miles per hour, that rain just wants to stay there. So hopefully this works for that. So this is the Rain-X for the outside. This is not to be used for the inside of the car. Then I got the glass water repellent. This is the original. It comes in this packaging right here. Treats the glass surface with a super slick, non-stick, invisible barrier that repels rain, sleet, snow on contact, proving all weather visibility. The Rain-X treatment also makes it easy for removal of frost, ice, slut, slut repellent, honey. Salt, ice, salt, mud, and bugs. Remember, always use your windshield wipers as necessary, okay? Clean and thoroughly dry surface before treating. We just got our car washed, honey, so it's thoroughly clean. Apply in temperatures above 40 degrees. Well, it ain't cold in North Carolina, so we ain't got to worry about it being below 40. Apply Rain-X to a small folded dry cloth and wipe onto exterior glass using a firm circular overlapping motion. Allow to dry until a slight haze appear. Remove haze with dry cloth or by sprinkling with water and wiping with paper towel until crystal clear. Store and transport in upright position. Okay. And that looks like this. So I guess we're going to try this for the outside. Okay, we'll try this on the windshield. And this will be on my mirrors. And on the sides. Oh, well, oh, wait a minute. Amazon, I'm deducting the point. Now, it's very minimal, but I got a little bit of leakage going on. That's not what's right. Why am I got some leakage going on? I ain't even opened the shit yet. Oh, no. I'm glad to see this one's dry, though. So, anti-fog. And this was a triple bundle for $13. At first, I was just looking at this for $4.99, but then it said, you know how when you scroll down, it gives the recommendations of, you know, stuff that are best brought together. So I took advantage of that for $13.99. Then, of course, with my Prime membership, honey, you know, it came within 2 days. Actually, no, I ordered it on Saturday. It came today. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Well, we really don't count Sunday. Sunday sometime. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So 3 days. But it wasn't supposed to be due tomorrow. I don't know why it was a delay. Why is, 4 days as opposed to 2? I don't know what's going on. It might still be a delay with the COVID. Thank God it ain't like what it used to be where, shipments wasn't coming out for 3 to 4 weeks, honey. Oh, it might get back to that. They talking about a second round of that COVID, honey, but I digress. But The Rain-X anti-fog prevents interior fogging before the problem begins, for use on automotive and marine interior glass, windshield, side and rear windows, inside rear view. So turn nozzle on, position, spray a small amount of the Rain anti-fog onto a cotton cloth or paper towel. Wipe the surface with the product one section at a time. Do a final wipe with the dry side of the towel to leave a streak-free coating. Okay. So we got all that. So let's get on into it. So we're going to start with this one first. Let me get my paper towels, honey. Okay, so I got my paper towels. We heading on to the car. Okay, I had to make sure I had my thing first. Make sure y'all ain't see that address. I get sick and tired of having to blur out that darn on address every time. Okay, inside the car. Inside the car. Okay. Turn the nozzle on. Let me see. Spray a small amount of Rain-X to a cotton cloth or paper towel. Okay, so we spraying a small amount. And then wipe it one section at a time. Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh, that must be where the the mirror used to be at, because there's a little sticky coating up there. Okay, I need a little bit more. Okay, what it says after. Do a final wipe with dry side of the towel to leave a streak-free coating. Okay, now break off a dry part. And go in. You know, now I'm starting to see why they say use newspaper. Newspaper do go a lot further and is more efficient, but who really buys a newspaper nowadays? Hey, buddy. Oh, Lord. Okay, y'all, that's the... Oh, y'all ain't seeing it. Let me pause it in. Okay, so that's the after results. Oh, y'all seeing all my neighbors' darn gone house and shit. That's okay, as long as y'all don't see the address, it's good. But this is what it looks like afterwards. So that's the windshield. Now we're going to apply it to the windows. So once again, spray it a little bit into a paper towel. Like so. And then go in section by section. Oh shit. Damn. Just when I thought I ain't going to do no editing, there goes the darn gone car with the darn gone license plates. Shit. Diva, you stay having to edit some damn shit, honey. Oh, that's the second part. Oh shit, look like I don't need to go at it with a final one for the side. Look like they already good. But I still go at it with a dry cloth though. Okay, finished all the windows using the anti-interior fog, and this is what they looking like. And then once again, note to self, I got the darn gone block out the damn neighbor's darn gone license plate. Then there's my door dash, and then there's my sunscreen covers for the back of the windows. So I'm not seeing any residue. So we did good on that. And this is supposed to prevent fog. So in the morning time when it does get foggy or whatnot, I won't have to deal with those issues anymore. Now it's time for me to get the one for the windshield for the outside. So okay, I will be back. Now y'all gonna see me apply this glass water repellent to the outside. So directions: clean and thoroughly dry surface before treating, which we already did. Just sitting here and doing the inside of the car first. The water from the car wash has already dried off on the front of my windshield. So now we're gonna do the instructions, which says clean and thoroughly dry surface before treating, applying temperatures above 40 degrees. Well, it's about 70 in North Carolina, so we don't have to worry about that. Allow to dry until slight haze appears. Remove haze with a dry cloth or by sprinkling with water and wiping with paper towel until crystal clear. Store in transport in closed upright position. Okay. So do I put this directly? Always use your windshield wipers. It's okay. Don't say whether or not to put on a cloth or not. To a small folded. Oh yeah, it does say small folded dry cloth. So we're going to use a paper towel for that. And then I'm going to wipe with one. So here we go. I'm starting to see what some of the folks are saying about a little bit of street residue. They say you can also, apply some water, but it ain't that bad. It's not as drastic as what some people were saying. And I imagine once, it rains and stuff, with the added repelling of this, that little residue will come off. So I'm going to rate this a 4 out of 5 stars because it did everything else, including getting some of the dirt that my $10 car wash didn't do. So last but not least is we're going to use this 2-in-1 glass cleaner rain repellent applied water beaded technology. So just spray on and wipe away. Clean automotive glass, street free, repels rain by causing water to bead up. So I'm going to apply that on the windows. And we're going to see how that fares. Okay. Clean the side of paper towel. Put this to the spray side. I might break this video into 2 parts. Since I'm now doing a full review, yeah, it does make sense. So, yeah, it's gonna sound crazy, y'all, because y'all listening to this after the fact. But originally, I was doing this all as one long hour-long vlog. But the fact that this is in full 1080 HP, yeah, this is in full 1080 HP. I talked about my OnlyFans and all of that for like the first half hour as I was getting my car washed. Yeah, so for time purposes, we're going to break this into 2 videos. Oh, there all 3 of y'all go, honey. Look at them. Don't come over here. Don't come over here. Y'all done got fed 3 times today as well. You can keep looking at that darn gone bowl, honey. Yeah, all 3 of y'all. Y'all a mess. Don't meow me. I don't want to hear it. See the cats trying to hustle for some more food, y'all. Ain't that about a... y'all done already had y'all vlog video, honey. Y'all done had a whole 3-minute video to y'all selves, honey. So now we're just gonna wipe away. Oh, this is leaving something on it. Oh, it is leaving a coating. No. I don't move on y'all time, honey. See, I remember when you didn't darn gone used to come to me. Now you darn gone try these cats to spoil y'all. This is one of the cats that didn't even darn gone used to run away and everything. Your daddy done sent you over here to do his dirty work. Usually he the one that come over here and try to get me to go back in the house for the cat food. Look at him, y'all. But anyways, back to the review, y'all. I am noticing that it is providing the coating, so that must be that beaded technology. Can't wait to... And I think it's supposed to be calling for rain tomorrow. So if the DoorDash is busy tomorrow in the rain, we'll be able to test this on out. So we're gonna see what this looks like from the inside, and then we're gonna wrap this review on up. But this is part one. This is my initial, impressions. The true test will come in once, it starts to rain and we get to see in real time how this repels the rain while I'm doing my door dashing. I thought somebody was coming out the neighbor's house. I was like, oh Lord, now. Done already interrupted one of my videos earlier today. Okay. One more walk through. And once again, that's using the Rain-X 2-in-1. So now we done used all three of them. This is what my windows look like from the inside. Okay, make sure not to get that license plate. This because Lord knows I'm already doing enough editing as it is. So that's what the inside looks like. Yeah, y'all, we ghetto, honey. I told y'all we from the country. Don't judge that mop on the fence. I'm in the South, honey. But that is it, y'all. So my initial results are, I didn't like how I used my, if I didn't have these nails, I wouldn't have had to use my mouth to open this, and got a little taste of what this thing is. But 4 out of 5. I'm giving everything 4 out of 5 stars. Like I said, I will come back with a part 2 and tell y'all how it held up. Although the longest one would be the anti-fog review. Like that'll be a minute before I'll be able to tell y'all how that works, because of the fact that I don't think it's calling for fog anytime soon in Fayetteville, North Carolina, or no dew point for my, for the inside of my car to be, fogging up. But I definitely be able to give y'all a review on these two. So the Rain-X and the water repellent. Okay, y'all, let me go ahead and get these words some cats something to eat for the upteenth time today. They're getting on my damn nerves now. But y'all feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe.